DNAtix is an Israeli startup which is developing the most cutting-edge digital genetics platform which incorporates blockchain technology and that will enable users to test, transfer, and store their DNA in an anonymous and secure way, which is new to the world.
The DNAtix platform enables clients to upload their sequences, which could be full genome sequence or just part of it, and then run tests on it.
By incorporating the blockchain, we are now developing the most user-friendly wallet that can be used by any end user to upload, store, and test their DNA and still stay anonymous, which is really something new to the world.
Yeah, I think the more tests you do, the more knowledge you gain about yourself and genetic risks that could become a real hazard for you, and we are moving from reactive medicine to preventive medicine. DNAtix includes and incorporates blockchain advanced technologies in order to make sure this genetic information stays anonymous and secured.
And since we are incorporating the blockchain technology and we are going to store DNA sequence on blockchain, we created a utility token for the genetic field.
DNAtix already have a working platform for genetic testing, and we have a leading team in the world of genetics and blockchain.
We created the most advanced utility token for the genetic field. This token enables the end user to perform genetic tests, to pay for them, and to send and store his DNA in an anonymous and a secure way which was not enabled until today in the world.
DNA is a long strand of nucleotides which holds the genetic information for all living organisms.
The human genetic code consists of around 3 billion letters, which we now know how to store on the blockchain in a secure way and in a way that will always keep the integrity of the data.
Full genome sequencing is the process of reading your entire DNA sequence, the 3 billion letters which compose each and every DNA of all of us.
To make it simple, it's the process of taking your molecule and digitizing it into a computer, and you get it as a file.
We in DNAtix truly believe that knowledge is power. We think that once you get this genetic knowledge and you understand what are the genetic risks that are incorporated in your DNA, you can take active measurement in order to prevent from genetic conditions to evolve.
Genetics is the pillar of preventive medicine and personalized medicine.
DNAtix offers a variety of genetic tests. Some of them are related to healthcare, some of them are related to medical conditions.
One of our challenges is really to select the best tests and to check their scientific basis and to bring it to the end user that will enable any end user to perform the test. Our platform will offer a few service providers for every genetic test and for every condition.
Genetic information is extremely sensitive. You don't want anyone else in the world to know what your genetic information, what your genetic data holds for you.
Certainly not. DNAtix is committed for your privacy. Moreover, we incorporated the blockchain technology to make sure that you stay anonymous.
Yeah, we are fully aware of the sensitivity which is related to genetic information, and we are committed to keeping this data as secured as possible.
We at DNAtix are developing the most secure genetics platform in the world. We incorporated the blockchain technology, which enables us to make sure that the integrity of your data and the anonymity of you are staying safe.
I think what blockchain does, it disconnects the payer from the service which he is receiving. This is why you can do genetic tests without no one in the world knowing that you have taken this test.
Well, I'm an entrepreneur, since I was born. I'm an autodidact, and I've been developing software since the age of 6 or 7. I have a few startups in different fields.
I did my PhD in molecular biology in the Weizmann Institute for Science. I did a postdoc in brain research, also in the Weizmann Institute. And I am a patent attorney by training.
I love the revolution that DNAtix is bringing to the world. We are developing one of the most cutting-edge genetics platform that will enable end users to test their DNA in an anonymous way for the first time in the world.
Yeah. I think what I love in DNAtix is the fact that it enables people to take active actions regarding their medical conditions and using preventing medicine and not just treatment.